morning, students. In our today online class, we are going to continue our first lesson, laws of motion. Students, in our last online class, we had saw about inertia. So what is the definition for inertia? The inherent property of a body. So inherent property of a body to resist any change in its state of rest or state of uniform motion unless it is influenced or acted upon by external unbalanced force or simply inability of the object to change by itself its state of rest or uniform motion in a straight line. So this is the simple definition for inertia. And then today we are going to learn types of inertia. So let me explain you one activity. So take a glass tumbler. See here, take a glass tumbler and place a small cardboard. So this yellow color cardboard on it. Now keep a coin at the center. See here, the 1 rupee coin. So coin at the center of a cardboard. Then flick the cardboard quickly within fraction of second. So what do you observe? Students, the cardboard falls off the ground and the coin falls into the glass tumbler. So this is the example for inertia of rest. So in this activity, the inertia of coin keeps in its state of rest. State of rest when the cardboard moves. So when the cardboard has moved, the coin falls into the tumbler due to gravity. This happens due to inertia of rest. So this is one example for inertia of rest. So the coin go to the bottom of the tumbler. And then very important topic, types of inertia. Students, there are 3 types of inertia. First one is inertia of rest. Second one is inertia of motion. And then third one is inertia of direction. Let me explain you one by one. The first one is inertia of rest. The same definition you have to write for all the 3 types, but only one will change here. Here you have to write inertia of rest, so you have to change the word state of rest. Inertia of motion, you have to change the word state of motion. And then for inertia of direction, you have to change direction of motion. That's all. Remaining all the sentences are same. So now let me explain you one by one. First one is inertia of rest. The resistance of a body to change its state of rest. State of rest is called inertia of rest. So what is the definition for inertia of rest? The resistance of a body to change which state? Rest state is called inertia of rest. Let me explain you one example for inertia of rest. See here, example for inertia of rest. When you vigorously shake the branches of a tree, நல்லா வேகமாக ஒரு மரத்தை நீங்கள் உழுக்குறீங்க. Some of the leaves and fruits are detached and they fall down. So this is the example for inertia of rest. So first definition, inertia of rest, the resistance of a body to change its state of rest. And then second one, inertia of motion. See here, compare the same sentence. The resistance of your body to change its state of motion. State of motion is called inertia of motion. So once again, see the definition for inertia of motion. The resistance of a body to change its state of motion is called inertia of motion. See here, example for inertia of motion. An athlete runs some distance before jumping because this will help him jump longer and higher. See, in long jump, an athlete runs some distance, then only he will jump, because it will increase the distance longer and higher. So this is the example for inertia of motion. And then last one is inertia of direction. So inertia of direction, the resistance of a body to change its direction of motion. Very important sentence. Direction of motion is called inertia of direction. And then example for inertia of direction. See here, when you make a sharp turn while driving a car, you tend to lean sideways. This is because of inertia of direction. Students, the types of inertia is very important 5-mark question. You have to write the definition for inertia, and then you have to write the 3 types of inertia with example. That's very important. So how many types of inertia are there? 3 types. What are they? Inertia of rest, inertia of motion, and then inertia of direction. So what is mean by inertia of rest? The resistance of a body to change its state of rest. That's all. What is mean by inertia of motion? The resistance of a body to change state of motion. And then last one, what is inertia of direction? The resistance of a body to change its direction of motion. That's all. So our next topic is linear momentum. This is important 2-mark question. The impact of force is more if the velocity and the mass of the body is more.